Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. I hope you're having a good day. We have another digital SAT math question to solve. Let's solve this question together so that you might have a better understanding of the SAT math questions. So this is given us 5x plus 7y is equal to 1, ax plus by is equal to 1. In the given pair of equations, a and b are constants. The graph of this pair of equations in the xy plane is a pair of perpendicular lines. So these lines are perpendicular. This is given. The word perpendicular is important. Which of the following pairs of equations also represents a pair of perpendicular lines? So what do we know about perpendicular lines? If two lines are parallel, we're talking about slope, right? And first of all, if two lines are parallel, m1 is equal to m2 if two lines are parallel. But let's say L1 is parallel to L2, then their slopes are the same. If L1 is perpendicular, we just show it like this, then m1 times m2 is equal to -1. I also teach this to the students in this way. If what does m1 times m2 times is equal to -1 means that, let's say if you have m1 is equal to 2 over 3, m2 must be opposite reciprocal of 2 over 3. If this is positive, you're going to have something negative, and reciprocal of 2 over 3 is technically is -3 over 2. So based on this given info, so we have two lines going on in here, line 1 on top, line 2 in the bottom. Let's find the slope of the first one, the m1 is. To find the slope of the first equation, we are supposed to isolate the y. You know that. Let me write the equation format over here. Y equals mx plus b. So when y is by itself, the number in front of the x is the slope. So we're supposed to isolate the m1. Isolate the y for the given equation. To find the m1, again, let's write this equation. 5x plus 7y is equal to 1. I need to isolate the y. I'm going to take away 5x from both sides. And I will have 7y is equal to -5x plus 1, divided by 7. All of these. And y will be equal to -5 over 7 plus 1 over 7. So we forgot x. Let's add that x. So our slope is -5 over 7 for the m1. -5 over 7. So what do we expect for the slope m2? I said that since they are perpendicular, opposite reciprocal. This is negative, this will be positive, and reciprocal of 5 over 7 is, just flip it, right? 7 over 5. So the slope has to be 7 over 5 of the second one. How can I find the m2? Ax plus by is equal to 1, so I need to get y by itself. Remember, I'm going to take away ax from both sides again. So by will be equal to -ax plus 1, divide both sides by b. So you got y is equal to -ax over b plus 1 over b. So negative in this one, our slope is -a over b, which is here, isn't it? -a over b. So if -a over b is equal to 7 over 5, let me write it in here. -a over b is equal to 7 over 5. Then a will be -7 and b will be +5. So this was the first part. Now we are supposed to check the given equations. Again, we know that a is -7 and b is 5. So in the first equation, what's the slope of the first one? And a, again, you look, imagine you're gonna take away 10x from both sides, so this will be -10x, and divide by 7. So m1 for the choice a is -10/7. We have for b, so to find b, choice 2, I'm gonna substitute -7 for a, -7x, and minus 10y is equal to 1. So add 7x to both sides. We can add 7x here, 7x, and divide by -10. This will be -7/10. M2 is -7/10. They're both negatives, so it wouldn't work. So let me use another color for the choice B. And again, take away 10x, divide by 7. So that gives you -10/1, -10/7 for the m1 in the choice B, -10/7. And substitute -7 for this. And b is 5. 7x, 10y is equal to 1. So it's going to be 7x if you will add it to both sides and divide by 10. This will be 7/10. So look at it. Opposite and reciprocal. Let's keep that in mind. And let's take a look. C. For the choice C, we have -10x again. You got used to this now. By 7 when you divide. And 1 is -10/7. If I will put 7 in here, -7, this will be -14x, and this will be 5y. And this will be, if you will add it, -14x to both sides, this will be 14x divided by 5. M2 is 14/5. They're not even, multiples or reciprocal of each other, so we can just go ahead and eliminate that choice. For the last one, we have take away 5x divided by -7. So this will give you the slope for the first one is 5/7. For the other one, we're looking at it -7x plus 5y is equal to 1. Add 7x to both sides. So divide by 5. M2 is 7/5. It's reciprocal, but it's not the opposite. So this is not the answer. This is not the answer. It's not the answer. But B is your answer for this question. Yeah, it takes some time to solve this question, but this is a module 2 question. So we expected to spend some time with it. So I hope you have now better understanding of the perpendicular lines. Thank you for watching the video. I wish you good luck on your exams and tests. Have a good one.